Hello everyone, welcome all of you. In this video, we will be seeing that how the object details are added into the DynamoDB table using the Lambda function. And all these objects are added into the first S3 bucket. And after that, according to the event time, we will add all the details of the objects into the DynamoDB table. So firstly, we'll create a DynamoDB table. So here we'll create a table naming details of object. Here we'll give a partition key which will be event time because each object will have a different event time, but it can have a same object name or object ID. So we'll use the event time as a partition key so to differentiate between them, and we'll create a table now. So here it is, table is creating. Now we'll create a lambda function. So we are basically uploading all the object details in a DynamoDB table using the lambda function. So we'll create a function here. Function will be details of S3 object to Dynamo. It is too long, but I think it will be good for us because I have created many of them. So you can give any name. It will take some time. Function steps time. Now it is created here. So after function, we are accessing a DynamoDB table here. So we have to give a permission for it to access the DynamoDB table. So here it is in configuration. In permission section, we'll find a role name and we have to attach some policies to it. Like first we'll go to add permission, attach policy to this role, and policies will be like, firstly we have to give Dynamo access, so full access of DynamoDB, and also we'll give S3 access, S3 full access, and permissions. So this will prevent us from errors. Now we have to add a code in it. We are using Python language. I will share this code to you in the description box table. Sorry, description box. And now I will paste it over here. Here we have created a DynamoDB table of the name. What was that? I think details of object. Yes, it is. So we'll copy this name and paste over here. We are simply adding these details of the object. Which details? We are adding event name, event time, source IP address, in which bucket the object is added, and which object means the name of the object. So here we are using the table.put item function, which will put these many parameters into the table. And now I have deployed it. Now I have to create a S3 bucket over here. I need not to create a new bucket. I can also attach to any current existing bucket, but I will show you from scratch. So here I will create a bucket, and bucket name should be must globally unique. So we'll create like today's date 65665 or S3 to Dynamo. You can give any name, but it should be unique. So here it is bucket created, we can see. Now in this bucket we have to add a, sorry, firstly we'll create a connection with the Lambda function. Now what we have done, we have created DynamoDB table, we have created a function. In function we have pasted the code, and in function we have attached to the table, we have given the name of the table. But for a S3 we have to go to the properties. Over here we'll create a event notification. So basically we'll create a event name. Event will be like details to Dynamo. So we have to create a we have to choose a event type. Event type can be when, so what we are basically selecting are here, when any object is placed or uploaded into the bucket, so this will create a notification. If some object is removed, then it will create a notification again. So here we are using a Lambda function. You can also use SNS top and SQS queue also. So we'll choose a Lambda function over here. We have created the Lambda function, that is details of S3 object to Dynamo. So we'll simply save changes. Now we'll go to the object, we'll upload some files, add files. Don't forget to change these roles. I can add any image over here. Untitled design upload. Now we have uploaded the object. Now we'll check the DynamoDB table. Here it is. Sorry, we have to go explore the table items, and now over here we can see the object details are stored in the bucket. Sorry, in the DynamoDB table. We have firstly uploaded the object into the bucket, and automatically Lambda functions works, and our all object details are uploaded in the DynamoDB table. And here it is the event time, according to which we can uniquely identify the element or the object. All these details we can see here. So thank you, and I am also pasting this code for the Lambda function. You can find it into the GitHub repository, which will be linked or attached to the in the description box. So thank you for watching this video.